Hello, this is the third part, and today we were having technical difficulties with our phone and the video, so that we couldn't get a lot. We're passing the Durham train yard. We passed it earlier and I got it. And there's the Conroe caboose. And I missed the Conroe caboose earlier because I wasn't ready.
Hey guys, I think we're arriving in Durham, North Carolina. With the crossing gates back there. I think old rails. We're arriving in Durham, North Carolina.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Durham, North Carolina. Exit where you see a uniformed crew member. If Durham's your stop.
Oh, the bridge. Not that much people get in line. So I'll see you when we depart. Hey guys, we're not quite in Burlington yet. As the beautiful sunset rises down. We're not in Burlington quite yet, so I'll get back with you when we arrive Burlington. Hey guys, the guy said on the radio, we're arriving in Burlington, North Carolina. With a beautiful tree. And you see we're arriving in Burlington, North Carolina. So when we leave, I'm going to do the back at the business class when we leave. So I'll see you at the back of the train when he departs. Hey guys, I'm back riding Amtrak 79. We just departed Burlington like 5 to 10 15 minutes ago. And we're almost in Greensboro, North Carolina. And that's where we're getting off. So I'll bring you back whenever we are arriving Greensboro. Hey guys, we're arriving Greensboro Station, Greensboro, North Carolina. Hey guys, we're arriving.
What's that step?
We lost Amtrak 79. There's a cafe car. 43,366. And 2626.
And also on the other side of Amtrak 79 is 13R. Here comes in a 13R. It has to wait for Amtrak 79 to clear the line. See you whenever he gets closer. Okay, then that's 13R, passing Greensboro. J. Douglas. See you guys at Pomona Yard in Greensboro, North Carolina.